the latest entrant into the realm of premium gaming keyboards. However, what distinguishes it from the rest? Well, to begin with, it's not your typical mechanical keyboard. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Allow us to introduce the DrunkDeer M75. The DrunkDeer M75 comes with all you need to kickstart your experience: a USB cable, additional keys, and of course, our very own DrunkDeer signature. What truly sets the DrunkDeer A75 apart is its innovative magnetic switches that utilize the Hall effect mechanism instead of conventional mechanical switches. This distinctive feature of the DrunkDeer M75 is its real-time adjustable actuation, ranging from a substantial 3.6 millimeters down to an astonishing 0.4 millimeters. Thanks to magnetic switches, there's minimal physical contact within the switch, resulting in enhanced durability and a softer, quieter typing feel. Perfect for marathon gaming sessions or those late-night work assignments. And with customizable RGB backlighting and impeccable stabilizers, the DrunkDeer M75 caters to those who crave both speed and stability from their keyboard. Distinct from traditional mechanical switches that rely on sensitive components like metal, leaf, pin optics, magnetic switches operate without physical contact. This not only minimizes friction and noise, but also grants a remarkable 100 million keystroke lifespan, double that of traditional switches. The DrunkDeer M75 boasts a magnetic switch actuation range of 0.4 to 3.6 millimeters, adjustable to suit your preferences. Offering 9 levels for swift responsiveness or precise input, you can easily switch between pressing tactile modes for gaming or typing. A single key press adjustment serves all your needs. The keyboard features ABS keycaps and full area magnetic switches that ensure every key responds swiftly, delivering a flawless typing experience. The switches utilize magnets to interact with sensors for input activation, eliminating the need for switch leaves. The sensation is akin to typing on a smooth, linear switch. Moreover, this keyboard offers the convenience of adjusting actuation distance on the fly. Its practical 75% compact layout optimizes desk space, allowing for more creativity in workspace setup. Additionally, adjustable tilt legs and an aluminum volume knob contribute to a tailored typing experience. Magnetic switches present multiple benefits. They boast a lengthier lifespan due to the absence of physical contact. Additionally, they enable nearly instantaneous key detection, leading to faster response times. Adjusting actuation levels becomes effortless with magnets, eliminating the need to swap out switches. These switches also hold an IP66 waterproof rating. Lastly, they provide a smooth typing experience, delivering a satisfying feel. That wraps up our overview of the DrunkDeer A75 keyboard. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is MHD Tech, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace out.